Hey Super Taco 664 fans. There's like these are really big winds, and don't worry about Super Taco 664. We ain't gonna have any tornadoes. Just really windy. It's freaking scary. Whoa! Holy crap! Look at those leaves. Yeah. That's my cat. If you hear a lot of wind coming in the speaker, I'm not sure if there is, probably is. It's because of the wind. Yeah. This wind is getting really scary. Yeah, we're not gonna get a tornado. It's just really windy. See, like, even my basketball hoop is like, it's like waving around. Yeah. Okay. Hey, let's see this ghost. See, it's kind of like paper thin. My mom left it up. So bad that's pushing it. Yeah, we're probably not gonna get any bad weather. It's just really bad winds. I don't really know a lot about tornadoes, so if any of you guys would like to explain to me how like tornadoes are made up, because I kind of want to know. Oh, never mind. If you know anything about tornadoes, let me know. I mean, I know we're not gonna have one, but I want to know just in case, like if you know when to, like, how I spot one or something. I'm just showing a bunch of stuff around in my neighborhood. Well, if you know anything how to spot a tornado, please comment. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Bye.